Now, in our red belt, most of the songs are using the same skills that we learned in the blue belt, where we are playing the right hand and left hand together at the same time. The biggest difference is our right hand music is going to start to get just a little bit more challenging by using some faster notes. So, you may need to practice the right hand by itself, maybe practice the left hand by itself, and then try to put both hands together at the same time. And that's a skill that professional musicians use all the time as well. Now for 3 of your songs, like I said, it's continuing the same skill that you have learned in your blue belt. But in our song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, let's take a look at it. If we look together at the whole piece, our right hand is only playing in this song. Left hand is resting. There's a few things that I need to point out though before you begin this song if that's your choice. Now this is a right hand song, but if we look here, we have C, C, G, G, A, A. That is something new. We have not played A's before in our music. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pinky and we're going to stretch it up to A. Let me show you what I mean on the piano. So if I put my right hand into position, remember my thumb is on C, C, D, E, F, G. The new skill is taking my pinky and stretching it from G to A. So it should sound like this. Notice how it stretches? Stretch and stretch back. Let me play the whole first line for you so you can see what it looks like in action. There are a few musical symbols as well that are in this piece. If we look up here, you should have learned this before in previous years. Remember, this is a dynamic, which stands for forte, and that means we are supposed to play loud. Now, if you are going to play loud on the pianos, all you need to do is to push the key down harder. When you push it down harder, that means that the sound is going to be louder. If we look here, that P stands for piano, which means quiet or soft in music. In order to play that dynamic, quiet or soft, on the piano, you push lightly on the keys, and that'll create a softer sound. Let me show you what I mean. Now to play forte, you need to push the keys on the piano down hard, but remember that this is an instrument and you do need to be respectful with your instrument. There's a big difference between pushing your keys down hard and beating your piano or slamming your piano. So please remember to just push your keys hard and you'll get forte no problem. So I'm going to play the first line for you so you can hear what forte sounds like. Now I'm going to play the third line playing piano. And remember, you just need to push the keys down softly. Now I'm going to play the whole song so you can hear the difference between piano and forte. Follow along in your music. So because this song only focuses on your right hand, in order to pass, you do need to show the difference between forte and piano. Make sure that's included in your final recording video so your teacher can grade for that. Finally, we have this sign here that says D, C, L, fine. What that means in Italian It wants you to go back to the beginning of the song and continue playing until you see the word fine. Fine in Italian means the end. And it kind of makes sense with this song. Let's look at that road map real quick. If I were to sing the song, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Well, that's not the end of the song when we sing it, so that's when we have to go back to the beginning. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That's the end of our song, and we know that because it also says fine here.